Ito ko ngayon nangyinabuhi. Just try this merienda at home. Just grab 2 sandwiches and I got here noodles with eggs, and you put some that in the bread pala, hindi sandwich. Pag matapos na yan, sandwich na tawag yan. Tapos lagyan mo ng ketchup. Yan. Kita mo tong ketchup na to? Ito yung pinaka-maanghang sa UFC. Tingnan mo, spicy chili. Basang ba? Yeah. It's good. Pwede na to hapunan. Busog na ako dito. This is good stuff. Sarap.